Hi everyone. Now in previous lecture we have done the circuit connection in our laboratory in this way, and here in this lecture we have observed the this observation table. Here serial numbers is the 1 to 11 and load resistance RL in ohm. So by using the resistance box here, load the different values of the resistance in a one by one, and here in this time here observe the current in milliammeter. So here use the current meter, here observe the current and voltage across the load resistance. See the here used a multimeter, we observe the DC voltage. Okay, and in observation table the total power of load, that is the here calculate the PT is equal to phi RL. Here observe the phi RL into IL is the current. Okay, that is the PT, that means the power of the load. Okay, so here apply the in power supply, apply the voltage here in 14.5 something. Okay, so here firstly in our observation table, load resistance RL in ohm, remove the infinity key of the resistance box. See here in this resistance box available different resistance keys. Here firstly we remove the infinity key. Okay, here see this is the infinity key and this infinity key are the remove in this way, and observe the output voltage as well as the current. Okay, see the current is the 0. Now see in this way the current is the 0. Here right now the current is the 0, and see the voltage on multimeter is the 9 point something, that means the 9.13, and this voltage is here note down. See 9.13. in this way first reading are observed. So second reading is here the 4000 key are removed for the resistance box. In this time the infinity key here put on in the resistance box, and 4000. So here 2000s 2 key, 4000s key are not available on resistance box, so 2000s 2 key are the remove here in the resistance box. So 2002 keys are the remove. So here 4000. In this time the current observed on the current meter as well as the voltage observed on the multimeter. So here current meter here used in a 0 to 15. So here in this current meter small lines are here available on the current meter. So in these current meters, see in this way first here a line the 0 to 1 2 3 4, then one more long line, then 1 2 3 4 small lines, then 5 here available on the current meter. So one line's value is the here one line's value, so here 0 1 2 3 4, then 2.5. so one line's value are the 0.5. one line means the 0.5 of current. So in this resistance key remove the 4000 on resistance box. In this time the here current are observed, these current lines. Okay, in a red line are 1 2 3 number small lines. Okay, indicate the current are the 0.5 1 1.5 तिसऱ्या लाईनवरती म्हणजे 1 लाईन मीन्स 0.5, तिसरी लाईन म्हणजेच किती येणार आहे 0.5 0.5 1, and third line means 1.5. so right now the current is the 1.5 here. Okay, and in this time the voltage are the 7.69. In this way current are reading are observed, current as well as the voltage. Then 3500 key are the remove. So here 3500. So here put on the 2000s key, this 2000, this 1000, 3000, and 1 key are the 5000 are removed. In this way 2000 1000 and 500 3500 key are the remove. And in this time here observe the current as well as the voltage. Okay, in this time current are see in the 1.5 and current voltage are 7.56. 7.56. Okay, current are 1.5. Okay, then key are removed in a second 3000. So here remove the key, so put on the 500 key. Okay, and remove the key are the 2000 and 1000. In this way the 3000 key are the removed. So in this time the current is the 1.5 and 2. So current is the 2. Here note down the current is 2, and in this time voltage are 7.33. Okay, here note down the 7.33. Okay, in this way these different observations are observed. Okay, in our experiment maximum power transfer theorem by using the remove the different keys of the resistance key in on resistance box, and in this time observe the current as well as the voltage on multimeter. Okay, now see the observation table. In this way the load resistance are removed. In this time we observe the current as well as the voltage of a load resistance voltage in volt. Okay, now see in this way observe the different readings. Okay, then see in our observation table here calculate by applying the current IL, load current, as well as the load voltage. We have calculated the total power of load, that means the PT. We have calculated the total power of load. PT is equal to VRL, okay, multiply IL in a milliwatt. Okay, by using the scientific calci in this calculation is the done is a 1 by 1 and calculate the power of the each load. Okay, now see this is the scientific calci. Okay, this scientific calci is allowed in a examination, and this scientific calci by using the all electronics calculations, practical calculation, theory calculations are done, and these calcis you available this calci is the by using here calculate the power of load. PT is the VRL. First VRL is the 9.13 multiply 0. Okay, 9.13 multiply 0, that means the answer is the 0. So note down the first power of load. Then calculate the second 7.69 multiply 1.5. 7.69 multiply 1.5. In this way calculation are done is the 11.53. In this way the all calculations that means the power of load, okay, power of load in each load are calculated. Okay, see the in this way here calculate the in observation table we have calculate the total power of load, that is the PT is equal to VRL, load resistance voltage into load current. Okay, so calculate the calculation is here completed by using the scientific calci. Okay, see here in total power of load is here, see the increases of the powers, okay, up to the this 18.86, and this power is gives to the input resistance of the 1000 resistance. ओके, इथं आपल्याला पीक भेटतोय आणि इथून आपले रीडिंग्स काय होते, पॉवर ऑफ द लोड्स आर दी डिक्रीजेस. सो सी द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ आवर एक्सपेरिमेंट इज हियर. सी the calculation. Okay, calculation is the find out. Okay, find out the internal resistance of source R in. Okay, find out the internal resistance of source R in. म्हणजे जिथं आपल्याला रेजिस्टन्स हा काय भेटलेला आहे, पीक भेटलेला आहे, तो इंटरनल रेजिस्टन्स किती आहे आपला, तर 1000. ओके, and this 1000 value is फाइंड आउट द इंटरनल रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ सोअर. त्याचा इंटरनल रेजिस्टन्स आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. म्हणजेच तो किती असणार आहे, दॅट इज द 1000. सी जिथं आपल्याला पीक भेटलेलं आहे. ओके, रीडिंग काय झाले आहेत 11 पॉईंट समथिंग 11 पॉईंट समथिंग, परत इंक्रीज झाले 14 पॉईंट 13 पॉईंट, परत काय झालं इथं इन्क्रीज होत गेलेत. ओके, आणि इथं आपल्याला काय भेटलेलं आहे पीक कुठं भेटलं आहे इथं 18.86. ओके, म्हणजे त्याचा इनपुट रेजिस्टन्स किती 1000 इन ओहम. ओके, सो हिअर राईट नाव द 1000 in ohm, and in this resistance maximum power delivered to the load RL in a milliwatt. Which milliwatt? How many? In a 18.86. This 18.86 milliwatt power of the load. The 18.86 here. Right now the 18.86. That means the maximum power delivered to the load. Which load? In a input 1000 load, ohm load. Okay, in this time the 18.86 milliwatt, that is the power of the input load. So here see the graph is the plot, the graph of power delivered to the load against the load resistance. Okay, in our observation table we have ड्रॉ दी ग्राफ. हे ऑब्झर्वेशन टेबलवरून आपल्याला ग्राफ हा काय करायचा आहे ड्रॉ करायचा आहे. मग ग्राफ कसा ड्रॉ करणार तर इन एक्स ॲक्सिस लोड रेजिस्टन्स आर इन these different resistance, these resistance are given a x axis and in y axis power of the p in a milliwatt. Different powers is the draw the in a given the y axis and draw the graph. See here graph readings are the increase and then decrease. So here see in our different loads power are the increase and then decrease. Okay, so this is the in this way draw the graph. Okay, and maximum power here see RIN is equal to RL. That means the input internal resistance RIN in this internal resistance we have maximum power gives to the maximum power, that is the RL. Okay, then result see the internal resistance of the source. Okay, which internal resistor here calculated internal resistance same here right now the 1000 internal resistance of the source RE, and the maximum power is delivered to the load. Which load? The in the 18.86 here right now the in milliwatt 18.86. Okay, in this way this experiment is we successfully completed in our laboratory maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, maximum power transfer theorem, that means the maximum power is transferred from the source to the load if and only if the source resistance is equal to the load रेजिस्टन्स. ओके, म्हणजे आपण हा मॅक्झिमम पॉवर ट्रान्सफर थेरम हा सक्सेसफुली आपण काय केलेलं आहे ऑब्झर्व केलेलं आहे इन आवर लॅबोरेटरी बाय युजिंग दिस डिफरंट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिव्हायसेस ॲज वेल ॲज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिफरंट कॉम्पोनंट्स. Okay, I think got it all of you this experiment. Any doubt anyone? Okay, thank you all of you and stop here.